In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Facebook 5 minutes. If you're new to Facebook or just starting fresh, I'll walk you through the process clearly and simply so you can get set up with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar and looking for a secure connection indicator. This helps keep your information safe and avoids lookalike pages. On the home page, click Create New Account. This opens the sign up form where you'll fill in your basic details. Take your time here. Accuracy matters because this information is used to identify your account. Start by entering your first and last name. This is how you'll appear on your profile and when you connect with friends. Use the name you're comfortable being recognized by across the platform. You can adjust some display preferences later, but begin with your real everyday name for smoother account recovery and friend matching. Next, select your birth date from the drop-downs. Providing your correct date of birth helps with account security and feature eligibility, and it can assist if you ever need to recover your account. Keep in mind that Facebook has a minimum age requirement, so be sure your information is accurate. Now choose your gender, pick the option that best fits you. After sign up, Facebook offers additional settings to manage how your gender and pronouns are shown, as well as privacy controls to decide who can see this information. Enter either a mobile number or an email address. Choose the one you access most often because Facebook will use it to send important notifications and to help you recover your account if needed. If you're entering a mobile number, ensure it can receive text messages. If you're using email, make sure it's active and secure. Create a new password, aim for a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid using something you've used on other sites. A unique, memorable phrase can help, and consider storing your password in a trusted manager to keep it safe. When everything looks good, click sign up. After this, you may be prompted to confirm your email or phone number with a verification code. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once that's complete, your account is ready and you can personalize your profile, find friends and review privacy settings to control what you share and who can see it. And that's it. You've signed up for Facebook. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your new account.